This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Weber. Perfect direct oceanfront condo in the seaside community of Indian Harbour Beach. This unit features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and amazing ocean views. Upgrades include all carpet removed and replaced with new tile floors, 2021, new air conditioner system, 2021, new water heater, 2021, and new blinds. Somerset Oceanfront Condominiums offer amenities including a beautiful clubhouse with a pool and spa, and your private garage parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Weber at 321-288-6362.